I was warned about this and didn't care.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Delaware Bay until 6:45 p.m. At 5:44 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Mile Light, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Fortask Beach, Mile Light, Brandywine Shoal Light, Cross Ledge Light, 14-foot Bank Light, and East Point. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible and keep away from ungrounded metal objects. The following is a flash flood watch announcement from the National Weather Service.
Which I didn't tone. You, Mount Holly, you damn